So what are we talking
Because
about? What's the pride in it?
I think I watched. Okay, I watched an interview of Davido when he was talking about D'banj and Don Jazzy in the US, and he met them in a club and everything. Like he practically said he served them. You understand? Like he was driving.
You're breaking.
I can't even remember the car was driving, and he told him, "Oh, go get us something," and it was like, "Whoa, I did this even with," and the money. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. So they sent him to go and buy them something. There is a gun now. There is a gun, and Davido is not proud.
So I was saying,